So before we get into today's presentation, where I'm going to show you guys how to use Gold Cup, aka Gold Rush, and the Harmonic Scanner, I'm just going to show you how to get a product from iMarkets Live. So first, you come to iMarkets Live and you put in your username and password. Right, I have mine saved. You sign in, and when you sign in, you're gonna go to shopping cart. Right, when you get to shopping cart, you're gonna choose whatever product that you want to get. So I want to get Bounce Back, so I click on Bounce Back. I actually had to wait until my subscription was all to actually make these videos. Right, so I get Bounce Back. I go down to the bottom here. I choose my payment method, in which I'm going to use Skrill. Then you say yes, I want to be billed $16.71 today to upgrade my membership. And then you go to order product. You go to pay now. And then in my case, I'm going to switch now to NetTeller. Right, so when you switch to NetTeller, you put in the relevant information. And from NetTeller, I put in my relevant information. I click pay now. And then I'm good to go. Right, so I'm actually going to pay now. So I'm going to choose my account information. I'm not seeing it, so I'm just going to choose I am Kenton IML. Put in my information, click pay now. Successful. And that's how you do it, guys. So this was your bonus feature. Let's get into the video now. Hello, good day. Really do appreciate you joining us with this awesome opportunity. The first part of really being successful is making a decision, and you guys have obviously made the decision to change your life in whatever way. Could be small, could be great. I love this opportunity because it can basically free you from whatever dreams you want to accomplish and you're not seeing a way out. This can take you to that place, right? Now, the objective of this video that I'm making is for persons who see the opportunity, get started, they can actually start seeing some form of returns on their money from the products and services that are working, right? So whilst you are learning, you will be earning. Now, one of the products that I'm mainly going to try to get new people on is Gold Cup, because of the ratio of wins that he has been incurring since the year has started. He has been doing phenomenal. I think right now his numbers is like 12-1, which means he has lost one trade for 2019, right? Now, there's one main thing that you need to pay attention to, and that is not missing the updates when they come. I'm going to try to make this video very short, so it's not going to take that long for you to understand exactly what's happening here. I'm just going to also show you the Harmonic Scanner. Reason being, this is also a product that you can go and get trade setups. I'm going to use this right now to do my first setup. I'm going to add in the Gold Cup part later on down the video, right? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser. You're going to type harmonicscanner.com, or you can also branch off from your back office in iMarkets Live, right? So I have it up here already. IMLharmonicscanner.com. You use your IML login information to log in and go to the Harmonic Scanner. Now the Harmonic Scanner is going to give you 3 pieces of information. This is what you need to master. I just came into the scanner. I didn't do anything. It gave me a scan automatically. Anytime you see your take profits on top, it's a buy. Anytime you see your take profits underneath the entry, it's a sell. So your entries are at the bottom and your take profits are on top. What is going to protect your account is this stop loss here. The first thing you need to do is to figure out what are you risking if you decide to take this trade. So I'm going to just click this on the side here. I'm going to click for my entry and I'm going to click right down here. So I'm seeing that I'm risking 4, let's just say 4 pips. We're not checking the 7, we're only checking the 4, right? Right, so let's just say you were to take this trade and go against you, you're going to lose 4 pips. For every pip, it's 10 cents. So this is like 40 cents you would lose on this trade, right? Now, We're going to click back on the measuring tool on the side here again, and we're going to see now what we're going to gain. This is just my personal recommendation. You can most times go for take profit 2, and for me personally, I go a little after take profit 2 and not to take profit 3. Right? The chances of it going back to take profit 3 kinda, yeah. So I tend to go a little after take profit 2, in which here is 24 pips. So this will be $2.40 thereabout, right? So my risk here is basically 40 cents to gain $2, right? So this is the information you're gonna need, your entry point, in which this entry point is 0.67. Well, let's just say 67427. So I'm gonna go to my MetaTrader, right? Now on MetaTrader, you wanna type in this information. If you're gonna do a pending order, you wanna type it in. If you're gonna do an instant execution, you can come right now and get into the trade right now by clicking sell or buy. According to how much money you have in your account, this is how you're gonna manipulate this box here, right? Now you're gonna right click on your screen and you're gonna turn on one-click trading, right? You see, I turn it off, I turn it back on so you can see it. Here on your lot size, you're gonna use 0.0 whatever to match your account. If you have $100, that will be 0.01. $200, 0.02. $300, 0.03. And when you get just $1,000, it will be 0.10. Right? That is to match your account properly. So let's just go back and see the currency pair, and we'll take it from there. So the currency pair we're currently watching is NZD USD on the 15-minute chart. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna go on the side here and we're gonna scroll down to NZD USD here. We can click, hold, and drag to the chart and let it go. Right now, your chart may not look like this, so the guys who is watching this, you can actually hit me up if you want to get a clean chart like this. Right? So the scanner is calling a buy here, and as you can see, from if you have already been going through your academy, the market did come down and find support. It kind of disrespected the support here, but it respected it right here. How you discover support and resistance? You simply just draw a line, and it's not just the line, it's a zone. Let's just say it's a zone around this line. Anywhere around the line, the market can stop. It can stop a little before, it can stop a little after, right? But you can see it's respecting this area. So I guess this scanner is calling the trade because of the strong, right now it's actually support because the market is actually coming and resting on it, right? Resistance is if the market is to come under and then start respecting from underneath, then it will be resistance because it's resisting it from going back up, right? Now, so your bit of information is you're gonna come here, you're gonna right click on the chart, you're gonna click trading, you're gonna click, if you wanna buy, let's put a buy stop, and then we're gonna type in the information into this entry point here, right? So we double click the entry point, we come across the price, we go and we double check our price here. So the price we're looking for is 67427, right? So 427, so we type in 67427, right? So we have this, we're not going to close the box as yet, we have this as our entry point. Now what we're going to need is our take profit point. So the take profit point that I'm looking at, let me just draw a line so it will be clear. It's right here. Actually, let me use this scanner's information. We're going to use take profit 2, so we're going to use 67609, right? 609, 67609, right? Then we're going to put in the stop loss. Now the stop loss is to protect your account. Let's just say you take this trade here and the market decide not to go in your direction. Now there are some other indications to make sure that you have a stronger confirmation that this trade is going to go up, and we don't have that right now. So I'm seeing the market actually spiking down, and that's quite normal, guys, right? Now the objective of what I'm teaching you here is not for you to come in and start making money instantly. This is for you to understand placing the trade, and after understanding placing the trade, from taking trades that the educators are going to send out on the relevant apps and their high rate of wins compared to the losses, you're going to take those trades because remember, you're still learning. You're just going to understand how to place an entry, how to place a stop loss, so you can be profitable whilst you're learning still, right? Eventually you would start seeing the market. It will start to make sense where you may not need to take trades from Gold Rush, Gold Cup, or even the harmonic scanner, but I still believe in using the products of iMarkets Live because it's here done doing all the work for you. So your stop loss is 673.78. So we're gonna put in our stop loss 67378. Now you can see modify. Now when I click modify, this whole thing is gonna jump into place, right? So we're gonna go modify, and right now it's in place, but I don't want this trade right now, right? So I closed it because it's really close to triggering. I didn't want to get into the trade, but at least you get the gist. Right, so I did not want to place that trade just now, so I'm going to start over here now just to place a trade that is not looking like it's about to trigger. I don't want to take a trade, me personally, without me doing my own analysis. Right, let's just say right here we want to take the trade for a buy right here. So I'm going to do so. I'm going to click buy right here. I'm going to use, let's just say the previous low down here as my stop loss. So let's just say so I double click this right here. I take this XE looking thing up on top there, right? It has a correct name, guys. I'm gonna use 6745 as my stop loss. So 67405, right? I'm going to use just the top of where the market been coming up and stopping here. I'm going to use this as my take profit. Let's just see that's 68970. So 68970. I click modify. Those parameters will go into play. Now I'm going to see what I'm risking here by just hovering over the line. It's telling me I'm risking $3.40, which is 34 pips, to gain $12.25, which is 122 pips, right? So this is how you place a trade, guys. So you can either execute immediately or you can actually place the trade like this. If your take profit is above your stop loss, or above the entry, above the stop loss, it's a buy. Let's just do it over. So we're gonna let's put a trade at the top now, right? So this one was a buy, this one will be a sell. Let's just say you decide to sell from right here. You decided to sell from right here, right? Now we pull back the same exiting again. We'll go to the previous high, just a little above it, right? We see our stop loss by watching the number on this side. Watching the number on this side, you see our stop loss is saying 69096. Type in 69096, and let's just say our take profit was right above right here. Let's just say, right, 67693, 67693. Alright, we go modify, and now this would be a sell, guys. So if the market decide to buy on you here, it would have taken you out of the trade and you would have lost $1.78 to gain $12.25, in which is 122 pips. Now you can actually see the pips. I realize I'm not checking the last number, which is the 5, right? You don't really check the last number, and the pips here is 178. We are not checking the 8, so it's just only 17 pips, right? And this is how you place a trade, guys. So when the trade actually comes on Gold Cup, I'm gonna just make that part of the video shortly. Right, so when you log into Gold Cup, you're gonna go either to Teacup or you're gonna go to Gold Rush. When you come to Gold Rush, if there are any trades, like right now I'm seeing 2 ticks in, which means there is a trade right now. Let's just see if the information is gonna pop up. Okay, but you're gonna see these 2 ticks, and then you're gonna see the information here for the trade, whatever trade setup he's seeing, right? So these 2 ticks are important, and then his information is gonna be here. He's gonna give you, let's just draw it out. He's gonna give you an entry point. He's gonna say this is his entry, Let's just make this line a little thicker. He's gonna say this is his, let me just change the color so that this thing would match, right? He's gonna say this is his, alright, let me just put this down here. I'm just gonna reverse them because I realized I changed the color on the wrong one. So let's just say there's your entry. I'm gonna use green so that it doesn't confuse you guys, right? So this is your entry, this is your stop loss right here. Let's just say that's the point that he gave. Most likely he may use previous high or something. This was the last, actually last high was right here, but we're going to use this one. And then he's going to give you your take profit point. Now most times he go for 20 pips, so we're going to check out this 20 pips. Sometimes he do 1-to-1, so it's more like 20 pip loss, 20 pip take profit. Sometimes he do 30 pip stop loss and 20 pip take profit, right? But let's just say your 20 pips was where we have it here right now. This is all you need to know. Now on the chart itself, he actually writes in the take profit, the stop loss, and your entry, right? So on the screen itself, it would have something like this. He would put ENTRY and he would put in whatever is the numbers, and let's just say that's the numbers that he used. Then he's gonna give you stop loss, right, ST, and he's gonna give you the numbers for that as well, right? Let's just say that's the numbers. Then he's gonna give you a take profit TP. He's gonna give you the information for that, right? Whatever the number is gonna be, most likely it's gonna be 4 numbers. So let's put in 12. So let's go 11 because it's lower. 11, right? And this is going to be on your screen just like that. His own looks a little better, but it will be on the screen just like that. You're going to actually see the information. So all you have to do is take this information, guys. Your entry point, you come on your scanner, you get gold. So let's get gold, right? So I'm going to also show you a shortcut how you can get to trades quickly, right? I'm just going to delete this one that's there right now. How you can get to trades quickly is you can click on the screen. You click spacebar once. You see this thing pop up here? If you know the currency pair, you can actually type it. Now gold is XAGUSD. That's gold, right? Then you click enter. It's going to switch the chart to that. And you place the information that he told you here. You come here, right click, you go trade in, you create your sell, stop, buy limit, wherever it is he tell you which one he tell you to do. You just create it. And then after you create it, you double click on the line and you add in the rest of the information, your stop loss and your take profit, and then you just go live your life. He did all the analysis and stuff for you. You could go back to your class, your lessons, going through your videos, or if you're busy. But it is literally this simple, guys, until you decide, hey, I really and truly want to take the bull by the horn. You just take the information from the educators. So this is how you place a trade, guys. So the harmonic scanner gives you an entry, it gives you a stop loss, it gives you your take profit points. As long as you understand how to place these trades, you can profit immediately. Now let's just go across here quick. This is what the video looks like. It's the harmonic scanner BRS strategy by Gary McSween and Neil Sukram. Right, guys? So I hope with this information here that clearly in your mind you can actually place a trade. And placing the trade is very important. This will help you to earn whilst you learn. So have a safe and productive day, guys. Later.